So I'm here on Dollar Day. You all said go check out the store. Let's see what kind of stuff they have on the day that they have everything for $1. So let's go on inside and see what is going on inside Deal Hunters today. So I'm going to have to narrate this whole thing because the music was blasting loud for people to enjoy themselves as they were looking through. The left side of the store when we walk in have all these appliances. Now this isn't $1 today. These are half price and more. So I figured I'll walk through quickly through here so you can see exactly what kind of products they have, because they have a lot of nice things. Stuff I bought full price, I now know I can come here and look around. Lots of beautiful new items. The boxes are messed up, but you know what? Big deal. You're going to take it out of the box and use it anyways. All types of coffee makers. And I don't know what the real prices should be. I mean, the regular standard price, but you guys would know. And that's the prices of a lot of these products. Look at the people there. We're going to go over there in a minute. And today I found something worth 200 times plus than what I paid. But so many things here, things you probably didn't even know that they've got, that you would even plan on finding. It's amazing how much stuff. So let's do a quick walk around here, because I don't think I went up to the Instapots yesterday or the other day, and you didn't see it up close. You can see the different types, and some of them are marked. And if you don't see a price, you always ask. There's plenty of people in there to ask them, and they will get you the price. A good selection of new products. Look at all this. That is a really nice, they call it an air fryer type oven, but I know what that is, and they're normally really expensive. I almost bought one, but I went with a different one that was really cheap, and you know what? It does the job for me. And there's the furniture that was there the other day. I don't know how much it is, but that's outdoor furniture. And there's the wall of all the different products they have there. We could walk over there, take a peek, and then we're going to go look around in the bins and see what was $1 today. Did I do good? I did unbelievably good. I actually bought an item today that apparently for $1 should have sold for $300. I'm going to show you that when we get over there. I didn't know what it was, but there's something about certain things you can look at and you say, wait a minute. That doesn't look like a cheap item. I texted Gary right away because he stayed home today. He said he had things he had to do. Oh, that's a really good toaster oven. Oh my goodness. And he said right away, get it. But I was going to get it anyways. Look at these. I went ahead and got these. There was a whole stack of them. They were $1. And I know what I'm going to do with them. I think they're a type of bug catcher, but I'm thinking of maybe growing lettuce in there. Of course, I'm going to have to modify it, so I'll have to find the time to do that. Now, there's a lot more people today because it's $1 day. Everything today was $1, even clothes on this side. Now, I don't know about the shoes. I didn't ask, but he keeps putting stuff out. This is unbelievable. I mean, new things were going out. When he dumped this item out and it was on the table, I didn't even know what it was, but I picked it up and thought, something maybe Gary can use for, pollinating dragon fruit at night. I don't think so, because it's going to blast the entire city with it, but I'll show you that when we get to it. So this is what the tables look on Dollar Day. This is what they look like. A lot of stuff is out of the boxes. A lot of stuff is still inside the boxes. And you can find all kinds of stuff through there. You really do have to be prepared to dig. This is not a joke. You got to go through and move things over. I kept parking my basket off to the side because it was so hard to go through. But, it was worth it. And the manager there kept announcing that everything today, even the clothes that are normally $5 each, and he had a sale on Saturday when we were there, today was $1. There's my basket. I wasn't sure on which items I was going to get, so I just put it in there, and I figured I would think later, and I only put a couple things back. But, grab it and put it in your basket. And people are looking through. I really thought it would be busier, but he did tell me, the manager, that they were lined up this morning. Now, I saw this, and it's incredibly soft. For the winter, I couldn't believe how soft it was. Well, it's well over $30 right now on Amazon, and I did grab that. Then going through here, again, You have to look through. I talked to so many different people today while I was kind of looking through. I even had a fan there. A couple was there. They recognized me and yelled out my name. Some of the employees now knew who I was. They watched the video I put up the other day. One man told me he got some pool filters, and one pool was for his jacuzzi. He spends over $200 per filter when he has to replace it. He comes here and periodically he finds them. He found 2 of them together for $1, 50 cents each for his jacuzzi filter that normally costs him $200 a piece. Now this is what you've got to do. You actually have to move things because you never know what's underneath. Because something little that could be worth a lot of money could be underneath all this stuff. Something that I found tucked underneath was unbelievable. Now, it's nothing I can use, but it is something Gary said he's going to play around with, so we'll see. But this is what it looks like on Dollar Day. There is a lot of stuff, very small items, but again, there's everything. There's food, there's coffee, there's tea, there's all kinds of stuff. So anything you can think of, you're going to find. Now, there's my basket, and I'm loading it up, and oh my goodness, I got hand warmers today, but I'm really happy with this sweater. I think it's going to be really nice for the winter. There's the coffee. I got 3 packages of those. They're not that expensive. They're like $10 a piece, normal price. But for $1, I'll drink some of that coffee. I saw some people loading up on the sodas. I don't drink that. And that's the 01, Coca-Cola. And they were still laying there. You would get a 6-pack or a 4-pack for $1. I saw people buying for birthday parties. All kinds of toys and craft things they were going to give to all the kids. They're not going to know it costs only $1. Cute hat, but you know, white, I would end up getting that really dirty, even for $1. I don't need it. I've got a lot of hats. If it was something I really wanted, I'd go ahead and grab it. And everybody is very calmly going through. I'll tell you what's always good to grab is blankets if you've got dogs. Then you don't have to worry about cleaning it up. Look at that, a hammock for stuffed animals. You know, and just toss it and get another blanket later. My dogs always appreciate a fresh, clean, new blanket. There were a lot of tablecloths, party items. Like I said, even houseware utensils were in there. Napkins, different things. I can't even tell you everything because it's everything is what it is. There were baby food items in there. I just want you to kind of get an idea, if you ever went to one of these stores on the day it's the lowest price, what you're going to find. And then the 2-1 soil testing kits that's there. I did get Gary a few more. He told me to get him 3 more, so we got that. Some of the stuff, I'll tell you, I don't know what it is. One of the items I bought, I didn't even know what it was. I picked that up, I think, before we left, that item. And boy, if you need a thermostat, they're going to cost a lot more than $1. My goodness. A lot of wallpaper. This is wall decor. We did get one roll the other day with plants. It's beautiful. Where we're going to put it, we don't know. I thought about that, but then I thought, no, the other one's going to sit till we use it. So I didn't get that one. If it would have been the same, I would have grabbed it. It was a different one. So I'm going to my car now. 26 items I ended up with. So this should be really good. This is going to go on my swing in the garden. Hold on. We've got something for my swing. I got an ugly sweater for Christmas. I got multiple blankets. I got this thing too. This looks like it's really expensive. I was thinking it's a headlamp that's rechargeable. Maybe Gary can use it to do dragon fruit in the yard. Then I've got this mat. I got these things. I have no idea what they were. I asked inside, but you know what? I got an idea what I'm going to use. With that, I'm going to probably make something to grow plants in. Look at all this stuff. The coffee, I had people trying to take it out of my basket. Well, they didn't do that. They asked where I got it and they wanted it. But I'm getting that. And then I've got tea for Gary. I got more liners for our air fryer we don't use. Maybe I'll use it now if I don't have to wash it. This is a kit to do popsicles. Multiple blankets, because blankets are always good for the dog. So I'm going to go ahead, load this in the car, and I'm going home. So I hope you enjoyed this excursion on Dollar Day. It was really different, very busy, but everybody was so polite and so nice. I would come back. I don't know if I would do Dollar Day. I really enjoyed coming on Saturday. I think there was a lot of good things, But then when we came Monday, and that was $3 a day, we did get a lot of good stuff then too. So you know what? You come the day that you want to come. You want to stand in line and come when they first open? I heard that today there was over 100 people standing in line, and that's $1 day. You come on Friday when all the new items are out and people are standing in line like 200. It's more money. It's usually around $10, but you get the best stuff because the best stuff goes out first. So with that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you're growing. I'm going home. Bye-bye. Gary,
Yes,
are you Scottish or are you Irish?
all Scottish.
You're Scottish? I got you something.
Right.
I got you loose leaf Scottish tea.
Hi.
You want to see what we got, Zoe? Oh my goodness! Look! Another blanket! Could that one be for you too? Oh yes, she found another blanket. That's one thing I will say. You can't go wrong with getting blankets no matter who's on it. But for $1, dogs love blankets. Look at this. We should have gotten 2. You know, they're open till 10. What do you think? Off she goes.